In this video, you'll learn how to install CuttingLink, which is used to cut with ID Cut. To do this, go to www.mimaki.com. Click the Product tab. Scroll down and select Rasterlink 7 on the right side. Click the Download tab. Next, click CuttingLink under the list of downloads. Scroll down and click the red download button. Once the download is complete, open the file. Accept the license agreement and then click Next. Once the installation is complete, go to your desktop and you will see an icon for CuttingLink.